Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Principal Financial Group. Review my usage experience. Principal Financial Group offers a range of financial services, including retirement planning, investments, and insurance. Their target audience is individuals and businesses looking for comprehensive financial solutions. Key features likely include access to financial advisors, online account management tools, and a diverse portfolio of investment options. Their website provides details on their various services and resources. They emphasize long-term financial security and personalized planning, aiming to make financial management accessible and straightforward. While I can't speak to specific pricing as it varies depending on individual needs, they seem to focus on transparency and building lasting relationships with their clients. They likely use established financial models and strategies to help clients achieve their financial goals. You can check their website for information on availability and local advisors in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Principal Financial Group. I initially contacted them for advice on consolidating my retirement accounts. Getting started was relatively simple. I scheduled a virtual consultation through their website and spoke with a financial advisor who gathered information about my current financial situation and goals. Navigating their online portal was easy after the initial setup. I could view all my accounts in one place, track my investment performance, and access educational resources. One particularly helpful feature was the retirement planning calculator, which allowed me to adjust different variables and see the potential impact on my future savings. The performance of my investments has been in line with market expectations, and the advisor has been proactive in communicating any significant changes or opportunities. I had a quick question about a recent transaction and their support team responded within a day via email, which was impressive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it simple to monitor my accounts. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized financial planning advice I received. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though their website is mobile-friendly. It took me a little while to get used to the terminology used in some of their reports. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Principal Financial Group. They've provided me with valuable guidance and tools to help me manage my finances effectively. That's my overview of Principal Financial Group. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.